Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a xylophone drawing. First, let's establish the main structure. Start by drawing a long, flat rectangle to form the base of your xylophone. This will be the foundation. Next, add two slightly smaller, parallel rectangles on top of the base, creating the side supports. Think of these as the frame that holds everything together. Keep your lines light for now, as we'll refine them later. Now, let's add the distinctive keys. Draw multiple rectangular bars across the frame, making each one slightly shorter than the last to show the musical scale. Leave a small gap between each key. At the end of each key, you can add a tiny circle to represent where it might be struck. Beneath the keys, sketch some subtle, curved lines to suggest the resonators, giving your drawing more depth. Every xylophone needs mallets. Draw two thin sticks for the handles, topped with small, round, or oval shapes for the mallet heads. You can position one mallet as if it's about to strike a key, adding a sense of action. Next, begin adding some light shading. Consider where your light source is coming from and shade the undersides of the keys and the base to give your drawing a realistic, three-dimensional appearance. For the final touches, carefully go over all your lines, making them crisp and clean. Erase any initial sketch marks that are no longer needed. You can then add color to your xylophone keys, perhaps a gradient from dark to light, or different colors for each key to make it visually appealing. Consider adding a subtle wood grain texture to the base for extra realism. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. This will truly bring your xylophone drawing to life.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.